Hi, I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 6260 Ohana, California, and today we're gonna do the magic candle unboxing. So we have bought from this company before.
Yeah, so I haven't really paid attention to the smells, unfortunately.
Yeah, and we actually are gonna throw in a few extra that we've had before, and we'll just tell you what we think of them. But I'm excited to get in the box because we missed the parks.
Okay, so as always, please like and subscribe.
And follow along with our Ohana.
And we'll give any tips and tricks we find along the way.
Okay, so I'm excited.
Hey, you actually get to see me on camera for once. Using a knife.
Brad doesn't usually do the unboxings, but this one I think it's always good to have two people's opinion on, because scents, we can be very different. The one thing I will say about the Magic Candle Company is their scents are really strong, so usually I only use like one or two, or like a portion of the little squares in the boxes.
Alright.
So, alright.
Oh, okay. Should we do this first?
Sure. Okay, so we actually had one of these before and it broke, so we had to reorder it. I was clumsy one day, I wasn't quite awake, hadn't had my cup of coffee, and it broke. So,
Where's the...
ooh, careful, let's not break a second one.
You want to hold it?
I'll hold it. It's really cute. It's a little, like, I like it because it has like that little Polynesian kind of feel to it, because we love the poly. And
there's a
little dish, so you put it in there, and when you're done, you clean out the dish, and then...
Don't break it.
Yeah, let's not break it. But this is what this guy looks like. Nothing fancy. Just nice. It plugs in. It's got a little warmer on it. Alright, so Brad will put that down so we don't break it. Alright, so we did the deal where you select 4 scents. So we have 4 scents to try.
Is this just all these
Yeah.
from together, or are they...
I guess so. I don't know what. I didn't look. Oh, no, and I also got one other thing.
Okay, well, we'll get rid of that.
Okay. You go. You want me to go first? Or you want to go
Go
first? Okay. So the first thing we got was this Wilderness Resort room spray. So.
No,
No, it wasn't good. I was just gonna have you smell it.
Yeah.
What if I spray it right here? Are we okay?
Right.
We're gonna spray this in front of us.
Okay.
It has a really floral scent to it.
I can smell the pine and the wood to it a little bit.
But there's a floral undertone to it. Let me see what it says. Does it say what it is? Distilled water. Oh, it doesn't tell you what the scents are for sure.
No,
But-
it's...
wow! It doesn't
strong.
take much.
It's strong.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm wondering if we're going to be able to smell the rest of the scents now. Alright.
Okay.
Oh, I'm really excited for some of these.
Yes.
Alright. Actually, we may have trouble after spraying. Alright, the first one's Norway. This is supposed to smell like the shops when you exit the Frozen. You want to go first?
Frozen.
Go ahead.
Yeah, that actually does.
Does it? I'm like...
It's kind of an oceany...
Yeah, but it doesn't.
You don't think it does?
Mm-mm. I don't know, maybe it's because it's mixed with the other scent. Hold on. It does. Okay.
It does.
It does, but it's stronger, if it makes any sense, and that's a really strong scent in the shop. Okay. Woo.
Okay.
Alright, number 2. One of my favorite rides. Banshee Flight! Yay! After
Banshee Flight?
So it's supposed to smell like the flight passage. Okay, if we can get into it.
No, maybe.
Oh, maybe I need a Vanna White.
Your Vanna White?
Yeah.
There's
I
some-
tried to be Vanna White. I don't think I passed very well. Alright. It smells good. It's really
It's
strong.
It's close, but I don't think it's quite.
It isn't, but it's got that strong ocean
That
fresh.
kind of breeze. Yeah, that fresh.
Yeah. It's close.
I think it's just a little. It's a little off. I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next, one of our favorite
Of course, we're going off our
rides.
memory. Our memories
Right? If
of
we
it.
were actually like in Disney World and like or
Like going back
Disneyland
and
smelling,
forth.
we might. Okay, next one's Haunted. Go ahead. Purple. The Haunted Mansion.
Maybe
Okay, this is a ride I really want to be taken back to right now.
definitely has that earthy smell to it, doesn't it?
It does. What is that?
Like a dirt, almost.
Dirt. It does not smell like dirt.
Well, it's like
Okay.
an earthy dirt smell. It really does.
Okay. You think it's earthy?
Yes. Smell again.
It's off. I don't feel like it takes me back. It has like a smoky to me.
I think it's close. Actually, I really think that one's closer. It's
Do
probably
you?
one of the closest ones. Either Norway or this one's so far the closest too.
Okay.
Of course, you know.
All right. So the next is Pirate's Life after Pirates of the Caribbean. All right.
I get to go. Uh-huh.
Yes, please go. What?
I'm not gonna say.
Yeah. Reminds me of those flowers in Florida a little bit.
It doesn't remind you of pirates, though, does it?
Kind of does to me. A little bit. But I like it.
See, that one doesn't. I don't know what it is. It doesn't.
Okay, so we're 50-50 on that one. The next we're going to take, this is actually from our home collection, so we've already done this, but I just want to share the scents with you, is the Christmas Shop, because it's one of our favorite scents.
Scents, yeah. And that reminds us of the scents that we used to have when we were growing
Okay,
up.
so I grew up, I'm German, and my grandparents always had these candles with a wheel that would spin from the fire. And they had special like scented candles, or they had like a scent to them. Mm-hmm. And so this reminds me of that scent. So it immediately like takes me back to childhood Christmases.
Yeah, I remember those candles. Mm-hmm. And it's
so, I mean, Brad and I walk in the Christmas shop every time. And that's the closest. So sorry we've used this and you can see how we divvy up the cubes.
So we kind of cut them in cubes. Yeah. It's a little bit more piney.
It is.
But it's very
so close. That is always in our home during the holidays. Okay, next one is Polynesian. I love the smell of the Poly Lobby. So, all right, I'll let you go first because I'm gonna get too excited.
Okay. Nope.
Okay, take that out, please. I think over time they lose their scents.
No, that's just...
But when they're burned, they get a little bit stronger too.
I think it's close, but not quite.
Yeah, it's close, but I love the Poly.
I don't think they ever get them all, and of course we're going by our memory of the smells.
Right, I think we need to get back to Disney World and like, refresh our memories a bit. Okay, and the last one's a Wilderness Resort because we love the smell of the Wilderness Lodge.
Which you already sprayed before.
The spray smelled different to me than I remember the waxes smelling.
Let's see. They're close.
They're close, okay, sorry.
I think
But to me, this smells more like
the Wilderness Lodge.
the Wilderness Lodge.
Yeah.
So definitely the wax melt Wilderness Resort smells more so than
it could
the
be because
spray.
that is so strong. That spray is really strong.
It is. A little would go a long ways. So that's kind of our haul from the Magic Candle Company. We usually have the scents what's melting while we vlog or work on vlogs, things like that. We love it.
So, with that, I think it's time for us to say goodbye and
Find your magic.
Bye,
Bye.
everybody.